Okay, we have a Mori-Seiki vertical machining center, model DURA-CENTER 5, serial number DC005DB0017. Machine was new in 2004. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Mori-Seiki MSG 501 control, which is a FANUC back end. You have a 43.3 by 23.6 inch table. It's a 40 taper tool, Cat 40, and that you just witnessed a tool change. It's a 20 tool ATC, automatic tool changer. You have 31.5 inches of X travel, 20.1 of Y, and 20.1 of Z. We're running the spindle right now at 2,500. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. 7,500 RPM. Okay. That's your X. Again, that's a T-slotted table. Your Y. And your Z. All right, you also have a chip conveyor. Machine is original paint. You also have, those are your coolant pumps. Again, Cat 40 tooling. Hey, thank you for watching our video.